Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. The ramps are down. Oh, what do we have here? We have the all-new 2026 Can-Am HD11. Trent's gonna pull it off for us here. Let's check this baby out. As you guys know, I was at the dealer show and super excited about this rig. We have more horsepower, we have more bells and whistles, we have a new front end, new headlights. New look, new engine. Oh yeah. So this is what they look like when they come to us. New tail lights, new bed. Only about 20 of the old accessories are gonna fit on this, so be sure and watch out for our videos with all of the new accessories. What do you think of that tilt steer option there?
Nice to get out with.
That's easy to get out with. Woo! Look at that. New seating, new dash, new control knobs, new display, new push button, new vents, new defrost. Ho, sound system, speakers in the back, speakers up top. There's the old model right there. We're still selling the heck out of those though. What do you think of the new tail lights? Intake screens. Let's check out the back. JL audio. There's the vents for the back passengers. It was not available on last year's or previous year's models. Oh man, so exciting. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. This one already sold, but we do have a bunch more coming. If you'd like to get your name on one, give us a call or shoot us a text. We're happy to get you taken care of. Lots of cool things in store for this vehicle. Been working with some aftermarket companies for accessories, but also power. So we got a lot to learn still. New integrated step. It's flatter step on this one, very nice. Fuel, it's on the right side of the vehicle, meaning the driver's side of the vehicle now. I love that. What do you think about that? We do have lockable doors. That's not new for this year, was new for last year. I love the new front end. I love the new headlights. The signature lights are awesome. They now come with a synthetic rope on the winches. A lot more info to come. I'm gonna go get paperwork signed and we'll get this baby set up. 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.